Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your trusted source for the latest bike updates and reviews. Today we take a deep dive into the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a bike that perfectly blends agility, style and performance. Is this the best urban cruiser yet? Let's find out. Design and styling. The Hunter 350 maintains its compact and stylish look, making it one of the most attractive motorcycles in its segment. With its round LED headlamp, sleek fuel tank and sporty stance, it appeals to both young riders and classic bike lovers. The lightweight frame and new color schemes add a fresh modern touch to its retro-inspired design. Engine and performance. Powering the Hunter 350 is a 349cc single-cylinder, air oil-cooled engine, delivering around 20 HP and 27 Nm of torque. The refined fuel injection system ensures smooth power delivery, while the 5-speed gearbox provides effortless city cruising. Whether you're navigating urban traffic or enjoying a weekend ride, this bike offers a balanced and fun experience. Handling and comfort. Designed for easy maneuverability, the Hunter 350 features a lightweight chassis and 17-inch wheels, making it perfect for city rides. The telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks absorb bumps well, while the comfortable seat and upright riding posture ensure a fatigue-free ride, even on longer journeys. Braking and safety. Safety is a priority, and the 2025 Hunter 350 comes equipped with dual-channel ABS, ensuring confident braking. The front and rear disc brakes provide ample stopping power, while the wide tubeless tires offer better grip on all road conditions. Final verdict. The 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a lightweight, stylish and powerful urban cruiser designed for riders who seek both performance and comfort. If you're looking for a bike that's agile, affordable and fuel efficient, the Hunter 350 is an excellent choice. For more exciting bike reviews and updates, stay tuned to BikeZone Pro. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest in the world of motorcycles.